Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android Pie 9 system special for Hyundai i30 2011 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay, you can check this head unit. Okay, firstly let me introduce honey set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Hyundai i30. Okay, this connector connects to our back head unit. Is power connection. Okay, there is USB. You can check this USB. This AUX input, and this one AMP. This K2 for steering wheel control. This braking wire do not need to connect. This reserve input for camera. Okay. It will come with a remote controller and external microphone. This camera input, RC type cam input, and this connects to back of head unit. And this front mini USB. This AUX input is connect back of head unit. And this AUX input left and right. This video input. Okay. This audio cable. This connect back of head unit. This RCA cable. This video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer. This AUX output. Left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this front head unit and the side, this back, this right side. Okay, you can check. Please take out this 2 screw. This fix DVD in the shippings. And let me check the back. You can check this long cable and external microphone. There are 2 USB cable. This long cable connects this connection USB. Okay, this GPS antenna. This connector Now you can check GPS antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna, this radio port, this camera and audio other connection. This power, this fuse. Okay. Okay, let me connect power cable on back. Okay, let me need. Okay, it's button light on, it's blue, there is DVD slot, this microphone, this IR, this is USB, and 2 SD card slots. Okay. Firstly, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Lamp breeze, you can change the wallpaper. This support live wallpaper. Okay, this radio, you can search the radio stations. It's mute button, mute on, it's mute off. This volume button, this knob, you can check this knob. Okay. And this data and time. You can choose the format, date format in this home button, this power. Okay. And it's very fast response. It's built-in DSP amplifier, this DSP, and you can install applications by this. You can check this YouTube Easy Connection APK. You also can download the application from your computer and copy it into USB card. USB driver, you can put the USB driver on USB cable and install this position. It will detect USB. Okay. And this is the connection from your link. And it's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and about machine you can check MCU version, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, it's PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. And let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage, 64GB. Okay. You check the car settings, it's personal setting, autoplay music, it's power AC standby, and LED settings you can change the red, color, gray, blue, any color you can adjust. Okay, let me change the blue. This drum and settings. It's reserve camera volume, and watch video you can turn on, turn off. This for reserve rear ruler, quick display Xmirror, and support steering wheel controls. Connect K2 wire to landing steering wheel button on these settings. Okay. Navigation settings. It support Google Maps and support other map like Sagic, Waze, here, and other navigation. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.